Hello and welcome back to my channel, Abby's Home Kitchen. On today's video, I'm showing you a quick and healthy vegetable soup. It's easy, it's quick, and you can have this with anything that you fancy. Please stay tuned and enjoy. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Thank you. So first, I'm adding a mixture of beef broth. You can use chicken broth, whatever broth that you have. I'm adding some melted butter. So this is a salted butter. Adding some seasoning, some rosemary leaves, and a little bit of salt. And I'm adding some roasted garlic paste. So I'm just going to mix this and set aside. Then in a baking dish, I'm adding some zucchini, which I already cut into desired sizes, some unripe plantain, some shredded cabbage, some sweet corn, some tomatoes. You can use cherry tomatoes as well, some jalapeños. You can use Scotch bonnet as well. And what you just do is just to mix this together. Then add the mixture. So for this recipe, I decided to use just this much broth in it, but you can add as much liquid as you want. Then you mix it. Once you're done mixing, you put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. And here is what it looks like. You can have this just as it is. You can have it with a side protein, fish, chicken, shrimps, whatever you like. If you love this video, kindly click the like button, share, comment, and also do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in and for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.